That pet accident you discovered too late. The wine stain on your carpet. The mystery food splatter that's been sitting there for weeks. We've all been there, staring at a stubborn spot and wondering if it's permanently part of your decor now. But here's the good news. Spot cleaners in 2026 have evolved from basic sprays into powerful cleaning machines that actually work. We're talking about cleaners that lift set in messes you thought were permanent and tackle fresh stains in seconds. Portable machines. Fast-acting formulas. Prices that won't make you regret investing in a cleaner instead of just accepting the stain. Pet-safe ingredients. We've tested the top spot cleaners on real stains, coffee, wine, pet accidents, mud, dirt, you name it. We've ranked the 5 best based on ease of use, cleaning power, value, and portability. Stick around because the #1 cleaner might just save you from replacing your entire carpet. Number 5. Shark StainStriker. Toughest marks meet their match. Shark StainStriker tackles the most stubborn stains with proven formula and powerful results. Penetrating power dives deep into fibers. Wine dissolves instantly. Grease vanishes completely. Everyday stains surrender immediately. Grass doesn't stand a chance. Home-friendly convenience. Professional strength performance. Advanced formula works on multiple surfaces. Rugs, fabrics, upholstery, carpets. One solution meets effectiveness. Versatility handles your entire home. Fast-acting technology delivers visible results quickly. Blot. Wait briefly. Watch stains disappear. Satisfaction meets reliability. Speed arrives rapidly. Safe for pets and families. Brutal on fibers while gentle on stains. Peace of mind with every application. Easy application simplifies stain removal. Spray directly. Let formula work. Repeat if needed. Blot away. Effortless stain fighting. Professional grade results without professional pricing. Accessible performance. Club quality cost. Genuine value. Number 4. Rug Doctor Portable. Deep carpet cleaning power in your hands. The Rug Doctor Portable brings professional excellence to every corner of your home. Powerful suction extracts moisture, dust, and dirt completely. Embedded grime releases from deep fibers. Freshness brightens naturally. Colors return instantly. Portable convenience, professional results. Compact design transforms your cleaning. Easy maneuverability. Lightweight construction. Clean stairs, upholstery, and tight spaces. Reach under furniture effortlessly. Powerful performance meets portability. Heated cleaning water accelerates stain removal. Stains penetrate fibers deeper with hot water. Results surrender faster. Temperature immediately impresses effectiveness. Advantage transforms cleaning completely. Multiple cleaning modes tackle different challenges. Heavy-duty carpets. Delicate fabrics. Stairs. Upholstery. Specialized performance meets versatility. One machine handles everything. Advanced formula compatibility maximizes results. Chemical and mechanical power work synergistically. Rug Doctor solutions combine effectively. Stain removal reaches new heights. Number 3. Kärcher SE3-18. One machine. Infinite possibilities. The Kärcher SE3-18 delivers professional-grade wet and dry cleaning for your entire home. Exceptional suction power tackles everything effortlessly. Water disappears instantly. Dust vanishes completely. Debris surrenders immediately. Dirt doesn't stand a chance. Relentless performance redefined. Versatile cleaning conquers multiple surfaces. Carpets sparkle brilliantly. Hard floors gleam beautifully. Upholstery refreshes completely. Vehicles transform dramatically. Garages clean thoroughly. One solution handles everything. Compact, lightweight design enhances portability. Easy maneuverability. Convenient storage. Effortless transportation. Power meets practicality perfectly. Stainless steel tank ensures durability. Corrosion-resistant construction. Investment-grade reliability. Years of dependable service ahead. Multiple specialized attachments expand capabilities. Floor nozzles, upholstery tools, crevice brushes, accessories multiply possibilities. Complete cleaning mastery. Quiet operation respects your household. Powerful performance maintained. Minimal noise disruption. Family-friendly cleaning experience. Number 2. Vax SpotWash Home Duo. Stubborn stains surrender instantly. The Vax SpotWash Home Duo delivers professional spot cleaning power for carpets and upholstery combined. Dual tank system revolutionizes cleaning efficiency. Clean water separates from dirty water completely. Hygiene meets effectiveness perfectly. Superior results every application. Powerful suction extracts moisture completely. Fibers dry faster. Mold prevention improves. Fresher carpets emerge naturally. Extraction excellence redefined. Versatile cleaning tackles multiple surfaces. Carpets refresh beautifully. Upholstery transforms completely. Stairs clean effortlessly. Furniture revives impressively. One machine handles everything. Targeted spray technology penetrates stains deeply. Hot water activates cleaning power. Stubborn marks vanish completely. Wine, mud, pet accidents, all defeated. Stain removal mastery achieved. Lightweight design enhances portability. Easy maneuverability around furniture. Convenient storage. Effortless transportation everywhere. Quick change tanks simplify maintenance. Efficient refilling. Minimal downtime. Continuous cleaning pleasure flows naturally. Number 1. Bissell SpotClean Pet Pro. Pet messes happen. The Bissell SpotClean Pet Pro eliminates them completely with proven power and specialized pet cleaning expertise. Advanced pet-specific formula tackles stains and odors simultaneously. Vomit vanishes. Urine disappears. Blood surrenders. Feces dissolves. Pet accidents don't stand a chance. Specialized performance redefined. Powerful suction extracts moisture completely. Odors dry faster. Fibers improve dramatically. Fresher carpets emerge naturally. Pet protection meets extraction excellence. Dual tank system maintains hygiene standards. Dirty water separates from clean solution. Superior prevention. Sanitary results every application. Contamination cleaning guaranteed. Targeted spot cleaning technology reaches problem areas precisely. Stubborn water penetrates deeply. Pet marks vanish completely. Hot specific challenges conquered effortlessly. Lightweight, portable design enhances convenience. Quick maneuverability. Easy deployment. Pet accidents demand immediate response. Capability meets speed perfectly. Pet-safe formula protects your companions. Safe on sensitive paws. Gentle around animals. Peace of mind with every use.